Hello everyone, welcome to Prissy Mallus. Today we're going to install Hippcron remote center lock in the Toyota LandCruiser Ute. We got this Hippcron remote center lock AliExpress, and it comes with two keys. Uh, this these are the keys. The batteries might not be included as it is shipped from the other part of the country. This is a universal for any car, and the company says the distance is about 30 to 80 meters. It requires a 12 volt. So let's see how we can install the Hippcron remote control lock in the Toyota LandCruiser Ute. All the specifications and details will be given in the link. Please follow us and subscribe for more videos. So let's see how we can install the Hippcron remote control center lock.
Okay, so this is the connector which goes to the controller. These two are actually the positive and negative. This comes with a fuse, so this lead goes to the fuse box, and this must be connected to any of the nuts so that this gets the negative. Then we have these two leads, and this actually the controller for the door. So if you see, there are 4 wires actually, I mean 5 wires. This actually goes to the front door controller, because the front door is the kind of master switch. So these 5 wires goes to the front door, I mean the driver side controller, and then the other leads actually is looped and then goes to the all 4 doors. So these are the 2 wires required for the one actuator. Okay, so and here there is an extra lead. This is for the switch, manual switch. If you want to on or off, I mean unlock or lock through a switch, you can connect a switch to this. And some other model comes with 2 leads for the indicator. It means like if you unlock or lock, then the indicator blinks. This particular model doesn't come with that, so it actually comes with a switch. So either it comes with a switch or the indicator control. So when you purchase it, if you want to go for indicator, you need to purchase the particular model which can connect to indicator. This cannot be connected to a indicator control. Okay, now let's wire this through. So this controller, here is the switch fuse box, so we are going to fix the actual unit here. And then, as I mentioned, these 4 wires, we have to drill a hole through this and then goes all the way here to this particular the driver side door, and then we are going to take the other lead all the way to the other side of the passenger front passenger side door. Okay, let's connect now.
So to start, you will have to start removing the panel on the doors. It would be just a button, so all you have to do is just pull it. There might be screws in the handle. Just remove the screws, also screws on the lock, and you have to pull this out. So just remove this front or the door panel to start with. You'll have to remove all the screws from the door panel, the handle, and there will be a lock here for the window lever. You have to remove that lock. This is the lock. Use a screwdriver and remove the lock, and you should be able to get the lever out.
So this is the connector. So this end here, this goes to, so see, if you see this lever, actually there is a lever going on here. Through this hole you can see this here, see. Okay, so here, so this is the lever, actually comes from the top. So we are going to connect this to that lever. So this end connect to that lever, and this one goes to the actuator end. So how it's going to connect? So we have the actuator here, and then this goes here over here. So it hangs like this. So when you connect that, make sure that it's almost straight, so that will be easy fix. So even if you can bend it and fix it, but that will be a bit difficult. So you just make sure that it's going straight from here all the way here like this. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm just going to mark a hole here, and then I'll screw this one here, and then this is screwed on the top of that one. Okay, let's do that.
So we have connected all the wires. Uh, these are the wires that's going in. The fuse has been connected inside this. Just make sure that it's always on. The fuse that you connect to is always on, directly connected to the battery. The console is here,
And everything has been connected. So let's see if it works. Same there. Okay, so it looks like it's working perfectly. This is a really old LandCruiser Ute model,
so it was pretty difficult. We had to make few holes to fit the wires. Yep. In case if you have any doubts, just send us an email. Please like or just comment it. Please like and subscribe
for more videos and keep supporting us. Thank you.